Hi, my name is Yasmeen Ahmad, and I lead strategy and outbound product management at Google Cloud for our data and analytics. I'm based in the Bay Area, and I work with customers every day to look at how they can activate their data in real time to drive real business outcomes. Today, we're talking about continuous real time intelligence. So, a massive fraud scheme is unfolding, a critical machine is about to fail, or your customers are abandoning you right now. You have no idea until it's too late. The truth is, most companies are flying blind in a world of real time threats and opportunities. At Google, we're here to change that. We've all heard the phrase, time is money. But in today's hyper competitive digital first landscape, time isn't just money, it's survival. Your competitors are already leveraging real time data to make lightning fast decisions. They're detecting fraud before it makes an impact to the bottom line. They're personalizing customer experiences in the moment and optimizing operations on the fly. Meanwhile, companies relying on outdated batch process data are falling behind. They're reacting to yesterday's problems, missing out on fleeting opportunities and losing ground every single day. So, what's behind those companies that are zooming ahead? What's that growth engine? Well, real time intelligence and digitalization. By harnessing the power of cloud computing, machine learning, and AI, now combined with real time, you can unlock the full potential of your data. Real time visibility, proactive decision making, competitive advantage. But digitalization is more than just a technological upgrade. It's a fundamental shift in how you think, operate, and compete. It's about embracing innovation, empowering your teams, and transforming your organization into a data driven powerhouse. And the real magic happens when you combine the power of real time intelligence with the transformative capabilities of generative AI. This is where the future of data driven decision making lies. And forward thinking companies are already harnessing that synergy. Home Depot is creating true omni channel journeys. Lufthansa is saving 30 million euros from operational efficiency. Moderna is tracking 60,000 shipments annually, and Newsweek is improving click through rates up to 70% and improving subscription rates by 10%. These are just a few examples of how the convergence of real time intelligence and generative AI and analytics is reshaping the business landscape. The possibilities are virtually limitless, and the potential for innovation is immense. So, how do you actually achieve this fusion of real time data and generative AI? Well, the answer lies in a unified real time streaming intelligence platform. Imagine a single platform that can capture and process data from any source, whether it's social media, sensors, financial markets, or your internal systems. It can analyze, applying cutting edge machine learning and generative AI algorithms to extract insights, predictions, and even make recommendations. It can visualize, presenting information in intuitive dashboards, reports, and even alerts, making complex data easy to understand and act upon. And activating, triggering automated actions based on real time insights, allowing you to respond to threats and opportunities instantly. But it's not just about unifying data to create action, it's about connecting the dots. When you can engage all audiences with a single streaming intelligence platform, you gain the power of cross pollination. This means breaking down silos and creating a unified view of your entire business ecosystem. Consider you are a supply chain. Traditionally, logistics, partner relationships, and customer satisfaction were all managed in isolation, in silos. But with a real-time streaming intelligence platform, you can see the full picture. You can predict disruptions, optimize inventory, and personalize customer experiences. And the evidence is clear. Real-time streaming intelligence is not just a nice to have, it's a must-have for any organization serious about staying competitive in today's fast-paced digital landscape. 98% of organizations increase their customer satisfaction by relying on real time. 80% of organizations increase revenues attributable to real time data. And 62% of organizations are seeing major efficiency and productivity gains. But before we dive deeper into the capabilities of a real time streaming intelligence platform, let's address the foundation of it all: your data. In the era of widespread AI adoption, it's easy to assume that everyone has access to the same tools and capabilities. But that's simply not true. Your data, the unique information you collect about your customers, operations, and market, is your ultimate competitive edge. It's what sets you apart from the crowd and fuels your ability to create lasting differentiation. But there's a catch. Existing data architectures aren't built for real-time AI. Only 19% of companies truly maximize the value of their data. Why? Well, outdated systems, siloed data, and the complexity of integrating AI with your data hinders progress. In fact, the average company uses 130 SaaS applications, many of which are disconnected data silos. And today, most insights are actually trapped in unstructured data. And even if you can use AI on that unstructured data, it's often limited to specific teams or projects. Companies spend more time patching together disparate data than actually leveraging AI for transformation. And the challenges that companies face aren't new. According to IDC, even today, 54% of organizations say integration is a barrier to getting value from data. 43% say they rely on traditional batch systems, not able to participate in real-time engagement across audiences with event-driven applications. And 50% say labor costs and expertise are barriers. But the increasing demand for real-time response, automation, and the time sensitivity of decision-making emphasizes the need for new data streaming solutions. The world needs a new generation of universal real-time intelligence platforms that unify all of your business needs. Eliminating complex integrations, accelerating intelligent responses, and empowering you to scale real-time intelligence across your entire ecosystem. Unlike fragmented solutions, these new platforms are designed for the real-time data processing demands of today's business at impressive scale. Real-time intelligence that involves capturing, monitoring, preparing, cleansing, transforming, and analyzing data, enabling observability and automated responses. Automation plays a crucial role in streamlining processes across the entire lifecycle. And Google's end-to-end streaming architecture offers this comprehensive solution for real-time data processing, analytics, and activation. It includes services for data ingestion, processing, storage, analysis, and activation, leveraging Google Cloud and partner services for a seamless and scalable experience. This is the same architecture used to power billion user products internally within Google. What makes Google's infrastructure unique and different is it's fully managed. You abstract away the complexities of data pipeline management, automating manual tasks and empowering data engineers to focus on innovation and not infrastructure. It's auto-scaling. It can handle any workload from small-scale experiments to massive real-time applications. thanks to the auto-scaling capabilities of Google's platform. And the native integration. We've brought together connected and orchestrated data, real-time streaming, governance, AI, machine learning, so all of these components can work together to maximize efficiency and minimize complexity. The impact of real-time streaming is not just limited to a single industry or a single use case. In fact, Google customers today across every sector are leveraging Google Cloud to gain unprecedented visibility, make accurate predictions, and automate actions in real time. Let's dig into a couple of these examples. Starting with Spotify, the global audio streaming giant. Spotify harnesses Google to transform raw podcast episodes into personalized previews in minutes. This isn't just about convenience, it's about driving user engagement and revenue. It's about using multimodal data, audio, applying GenAI, AI, machine learning. And with Google, Spotify is able to generate over 8,000 previews per hour across 14 million episodes. And the result? A more personalized experience for millions of listeners and a powerful boost to Spotify's bottom line. Our next customer is Palo Alto Networks. Palo Alto Networks utilizes Google for real-time threat detection and analysis, analyzing billions of security logs with BigQuery and Dataflow. Palo Alto Networks and Google fuels their industry-leading threat detection and response capabilities. Running over 10,000 streaming pipelines, they've now achieved a 40% reduction in resource costs. And our final example is Booking.com, a global travel giant, using Google to revolutionize their ad bidding strategies. With billions of dollars in ad spend at stake, they need real-time insights to maximize ROI. Again, using Google's cloud services like BigQuery, our streaming intelligence platform, they've slashed data processing time from hours to minutes, analyzing over 2 petabytes of data to optimize ad performance and stay ahead of the competition. And Google delivers all of these real results at real performance. Backed by Forrester's Total Economic Impact Study, we found that companies using Google see a 55% boost in developer productivity and a 50% reduction in infrastructure costs. And the payback time? Less than 6 months, with a staggering 171% ROI. This isn't just an investment in technology, it's an investment in your company's future. Google Cloud empowers you to harness the full potential of your data with an intelligent platform that has AI-powered insights combined with streaming data at your fingertips. It's unified, bringing all data together across clouds in any format in one unified connected platform. It's simple, serverless, user-friendly, built for everyone and built for scale. And all at unbeatable value, proven ROI, and lower TCO. Your data, your intelligence, accelerated. Google Cloud isn't just keeping up with the future of data, we're building it. Join us and turn data into your most powerful asset. The future is real time, and Google Cloud is your advantage. Thank you.